Hello guys, I think in your video games when you have an experience of FPS dropping while you are opening Discord or joining voice chat with your members or your team, whether playing solo games or competitive games, let's say. So the solution is here, very simple. Open your Discord and then go for settings and then just drop down to game overlay guy, and here just disable the enable overlay and disable for the legacy and the overlay is like consuming some and then go for your appearance and drop down to the advanced, and here guys just disable the enablement of the hardware acceleration, which is GPU is consuming by Discord to run more smoothly when you have some like gaming experience and so on. So just disable it guys. So this option is really can help you in your gaming experience. Drop down any comment if you are facing. Just like the video, subscribe the channel, and peace.